Data has no value until it's structured. Thanks to aicuflow, we can convert raw price data into visual intelligence. Let's check out together the Candlestick Chart. Let's get into it.
I'm already in my flow called the Candlestick Chart. I open up the file manager, upload my data. In this case, I have a sample for the candlestick. I upload it. Now it's ready. I double check the type of data and I see that the timestamp is a text field, but I want to change it to a date, and I save the changes. Now I can jump directly into the plot dashboard where I create a new plot. In this case, I want a candlestick chart. I select the data that I want to use. Now I'm prompted with different sections. I first select the timestamp, the open price that I want, what has been the highest, the lowest, and what is the closing price. Here it is, I get a first preview of my chart. Furthermore, I could hide empty values and also change the type of color that I want. For instance, I don't like this green, it's too bright. Let's change it like this. The color gets changed and now I can create a plot.
And here it is, my beautiful candlestick chart. I can finally do my financial analysis. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to check out our documentation or reach out to us on all of our social media platforms.